in this video I would like to show you a very important concept in conditions, and it's condition and variable. So what does it mean? We will do something very similar with the cinema. So for example, welcome to the cinema, and we would like to calculate the final price. So we will ask for two questions. The first will be student status. We've already done it. Input, and yeah, I will write just student, yes or no. Okay, something like this, and the space. Okay, so input, we will ask the user if he or she is a student or it isn't, or she isn't. And after that, I would like to ask about club member. Okay, so it means that a cinema has a club and you can be a member. So I would ask about or something like cinema club member. Again, yes, no, space. Again, we already know that we should put it here the lower. Okay, so transform every answer to the small letters. It will be fine for another working if we work with the student status or club member in the code. So now I would like to try that. Student status and club member. Okay, so this is only for control. If everything is okay, we will see. So I will run it. Maybe I will clear it. Now I run it. So student, I will write yes. Cinema club member, I can write no with big letters, right? Because every time we transfer it to the small letters. So I have yes and no. Okay, great. No error. No problem. I will erase it. So what's next? I would like to ask if student status is equal to yes. So it means I will have a variable price and I will store there $9. Okay? Else price will be $10. So it means if the visitor is a student, so the price of the ticket will be $9. If he or she isn't a student, so the price will be $10. Okay? And after that, we can ask about club member. So if club member is equal to yes, so it means that you are in the club. So for us, it means that we would like to give the discount to the user. Okay? So, or visitor. So we can write something like price equal current price minus, for example, $2. Okay, so you can't do anything like this, for example. Okay, or something different, because it means if you do something like this, you will erase the previous number from the price variable. So it means you need to take the price minus 2, it's the discount, and again save it to the price. So for example, if the visitor is a student, so the price is $9, and if the visitor is club member as well, so the price, it means $9 minus 2 is 7, and we store 7 in the price variable. Okay, I hope it makes sense. And we spoke about it later. We spoke about it in the previous videos, because you remember that we have a shortcut for operations like this. So it goes like this. So these two lines are completely the same, but this is shorted. So usually we use this. Okay, but it's the same. And if the visitor isn't a club member, so we don't have to do anything, right? So there is no space for else. We don't have to use it. Okay, so we will do only this, and I will print. We can use f string. Your final price is, and put it price here, the price variable, and write the $sign. Okay, so I think it's okay. I think it's finished. So we will print it, ask student status, club member. If the student status is yes, the price will be $9, and at the same time, if the visitor is a club member, we will put 9 minus 2, so it means 7. So the final price will be 7. If the user isn't a student, the price will be 10, and the user can be a club member, so it's a 10 minus 2, it's 8. If the student isn't, for example, a student, so the price will be 10, and if he or she is not in the club, so the final result or final price will be 10. Okay, I hope make it sense. So I will run it and we will see. Students, I will put here yes, so it means that my price now is $9, and Cinema Club I put no, your final price is $9. Okay, it seems good. If you are a student, so you put here yes, so the price is 9, and Cinema Club member I put here yes, and the final price is 7, so it means 9 because we are a student, minus 2 because we are club members, and the final price is 7. Okay, it makes sense. I will try, for example, we are not a student, so the price is 10. It's here, okay. And club member, I put here yes, so 10 minus 2, and it's $8. Okay, it works fine. So I hope you understand how it goes, and this is a very important thing, because sometimes you have a variable and you need to work with one variable across different conditions, like in this situation.